What's going on, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Twan. Today we're going to go over Kraken. We're going to go over briefly what Kraken is, and we're going to show you exactly how to set up an account so that way you can actually have an awesome experience entering into the cryptocurrency space. If you haven't done so, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that way you can follow us for news and updates and continue to actually share with you many different strategies to grow your cryptocurrency portfolio. So Kraken is a centralized exchange. This is where you can actually link up your bank account to it and you can actually deposit fiat currency or your local currency into this exchange, and then you're able to actually buy, sell, and trade other digital currencies. And the reason why I actually really like Kraken is because they're actually quite simple compared to other centralized exchanges out there. And when you're new, more simple it is, the better, okay? So I like how they're set up. There's not too much for you to read to overwhelm yourself. And they take several different types of fiat or known as local currencies. They definitely take US dollar, they take the pound and the euro. And basically, it's as simple as clicking on deposit, and you're able to actually deposit your local currency from your bank account. And then from there, you can decide which cryptocurrencies you want to buy. Now, the thing I also like about Kraken is that they're secure and they're well trusted. And on the coin market cap, there are actually hundreds of different exchanges out there. And Kraken's actually feature, I believe, number 4. There it is. They're actually number 4 with nearly $2.5 billion in volume every 24 hours that's being traded. So they're a huge company, very well trusted, very secure. And the other thing I also like about Kraken is that they have a lot of different options. Many of you guys are looking for specific types of tokens or coins that you want to purchase. And depending on where you live, sometimes it's very difficult to purchase. Like, for example, some people want to buy Tron. It's very difficult to buy Tron in certain places, but you can actually buy Tron here. You can also pick up USDT, TRC20 here as well. So just to walk you through real quick how to sign up. I believe I've already signed in. Let me see if I can actually sign out real quick. And that way you can actually see how to do that. So to sign in, you simply, so to actually create an account for yourself, simply click on create an account. And then from there, it's gonna actually take you to a page where you're entering your email, your username and password. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and put down, let's see here. Make sure that you are aware that you need 12 characters, one letter, one number, one special character. Otherwise, it's always going to appear red. And then from there, you pick on your country of residence and your state. And then on the bottom, there is a little checkbox. Make sure you check that off for terms of service that you're agreeing to. And then you click on create account. Once you're done doing that, you will be prompted to make sure that you activate the account. All you have to do is go to the email that you are attempting to register with Kraken. They're going to send you an email with an activation code. Make sure you enter that in, and that's going to go ahead and actually take you to the next page. Now that you're officially in your account, you're going to actually see some updates here. You can see some news. Got it. This is great. So now here you are. You'll notice right here that there's a little kind of like a walkthrough for you. You can go through this later on if you like. And right here, you can actually see your balance. Of course, you can see from here, based on my example, I haven't deposited any type of currency in here yet to be able to buy or do any type of trading here. But to actually get started, you can see right here at the top, there's 3 steps, 0 of 3 steps complete. Once you do this, you're able to actually start trading cryptocurrency immediately. The first thing you want to do is verify your account. There's three options that you can do: the Express, the Intermediate, the Pro. And all it is that it allows you to actually have more bank transfers. My recommendation is you can do the Express or the Intermediate, but I think most people can be very comfortable with the Express and get that done under 1 minute. So you want to click on verify, and as soon as you're done, you want to go and enter your first name, last name, your date of birth, occupation, address, put all the details in. So once you're done doing that, you can actually click on buy crypto. And of course, I haven't done a KYC on this example, but once you're done and you get approved, it shouldn't take too long. You're able to actually click on buy crypto like I just did earlier, and you can actually put down, you can pick what cryptocurrency you want to purchase. And again, I said it earlier, with Kraken, there's a lot of different options that depending on where you live, it's hard to find certain coins that you want to buy. Some of you might want to buy Tron. Some of you might want to purchase USDT to actually have access to a stable coin. They have all that. So you have Tron, they have Filecoin, Chainlink, all the top cryptocurrencies that are out there in the market today. You can actually pick them up. Okay, so you would simply, let's say for example you want USDT, you can put down that you want to be able to purchase a certain amount. But unfortunately right now, based on my example, I haven't verified my account. So simply you would just basically make sure you verify, you can enter the amount, and here you can basically make purchases right from your bank account. So hopefully this helps. Again, make sure if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel so that way you can stay plugged in to all the updates, news, and all the other ways that you can actually enter and be successful in the cryptocurrency market. Thank you so much.